The CHANFOK Neo Ceiling Fan with Light Review. The CHANFOK Neo Ceiling Fan with Light. A perfect blend of style and functionality. Introduction. Ceiling fans have come a long way from being just a functional appliance to becoming a stylish addition to our homes. The CHANFOK Neo Ceiling Fan with Light is a testament to this evolution, offering both form and function in a single package. In this video, we'll explore the features and benefits of the CHANFOK Neo Ceiling Fan with Light, and why it deserves a place in your home. Design and aesthetics. One of the standout features of the CHANFOK Neo Ceiling Fan is its elegant and modern design. It comes in various finishes, including brushed nickel, matte black, and antique bronze, ensuring that it can seamlessly integrate into any interior decor. Its sleek and contemporary look adds a touch of sophistication to any room, making it not just a cooling appliance but also a statement piece. The fan blades are designed to be reversible, featuring a different finish on each side. This allows you to change the look of your fan easily. Choose between a darker wood finish for a more traditional look or a lighter, more modern finish to suit your style. Efficient cooling. While the aesthetics of a ceiling fan are important, its primary function is to provide efficient cooling. The CHANFOK Neo Ceiling Fan excels in this aspect. It features a powerful motor that delivers impressive airflow, ensuring that your room remains comfortable even on the hottest days. The fan comes with 3 speed settings, allowing you to customize the airflow to your preference. In addition to cooling, the CHANFOK Neo Ceiling Fan also offers a reverse airflow option. This is particularly useful during the colder months as it helps distribute warm air evenly throughout the room, reducing the need for additional heating and potentially lowering your energy bills. Integrated lighting. Another notable feature of the CHANFOK Neo Ceiling Fan is its integrated lighting. The fan comes with a built-in LED light kit that provides ample illumination for your space. The LED lights are energy efficient and have a long lifespan, reducing the need for frequent bulb replacements. The light kit is also dimmable, allowing you to adjust the brightness to create the perfect ambiance in your room. Convenient remote control. To enhance your user experience, the CHANFOK Neo Ceiling Fan includes a convenient remote control. This allows you to operate the fan and light from the comfort of your seat. You can adjust the fan speed, dim the lights, and even set a timer to turn the fan off after a specified period. The remote control also makes it easy to switch between the forward and reverse airflow modes. Quiet and energy efficient. Nobody wants a noisy fan disrupting the peace and tranquility of their home. The CHANFOK Neo Ceiling Fan is designed to operate quietly, ensuring that it doesn't create unnecessary noise pollution. Its energy-efficient motor not only helps keep your energy bills in check but also minimizes your carbon footprint, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Easy installation. Installing the CHANFOK Neo Ceiling Fan is a straightforward process, and it comes with detailed instructions to guide you through the setup. The fan is designed to be compatible with standard ceiling fan electrical boxes, making it suitable for both new installations and replacements. Finally, the CHANFOK Neo Ceiling Fan with Light is a stylish and functional addition to any home. Its modern design, efficient cooling capabilities, integrated lighting, and user-friendly remote control make it a top choice for those seeking both form and function. Whether you want to upgrade your existing ceiling fan or add a new one to your home, the CHANFOK Neo Ceiling Fan is a reliable and aesthetically pleasing option that will enhance the comfort and style of your living spaces.